I ain't got time for your pity party, lady. I'm trying to go fishing. When fish break, yeah, I got the right, babe. I just took a psychological eval. Turns out I'm 100%, yeah, nuts about fishing. Yeah, I love big bass, that's the angler in me. But I don't mind an ultralight yanking crappie. Or catch a catfish on some liver. Or trolling for some rockfish in the river. When that rod goes down and that reel starts to scream, I love the sound. It's like it's singing to me. When fish break, yeah, I got the right bait. Cast past, then I drop it right in their face. I let them take line like I really don't care. Hook set, scorpion, get over here. What a con, but I keep the fish splashing. New rod with that medium heavy action.
I got lucky, yeah. Bait was super easy. I think the wind's going east to west, which is how I wanted it the last time I was here, so I can drift the long ways of the wake. I launched at the kayak section this time because this is where I caught the majority of the fish, and honestly I just don't feel like this is where I want to. This is where I know I will catch fish for sure. It might not hold the bigger fish in the lake, but I know for 100% for a fact my chances of catching fish here are much higher than anywhere else. So I'm gonna go out, paddle into the wind as far as I can, start dragging, and I'll be back if I catch a fish. GoPro, stop recording. I am dragging, I'm literally dragging 3.5 feet of water. I've been dragging not even 5 minutes. And I got my first, I actually thought I was snagged, just being honest. This one feels good too. He's pulling the kayak. I'm gonna try to keep him over here though, so my line doesn't go across my, I'm starting to learn a little better how to fight the fish so my line doesn't mess up. So my other line doesn't get messed up. Oh. No, he's hooked well. We're just gonna land him. Oh. So this is where I want to bring him to the other side of the boat. Oh. No, I lied. I don't want to bring him to the other side of the boat. I want to bring him right here. He's hooked decent. I can just boat flip him. That's a good channel. It's amazing. These big channels still have their spots. So when a channel has its spots, that normally means it's still young. This is a good sized channel, and he still has all of his spots. Like, what size is he? He's 23.5. I'm 99% sure he does not, he doesn't help me in any of my tournaments, so I am not going to measure him. I'm just going to, and I'm going to let this guy back. Oh, he was really not kind to my bait too. Cause I'm out here for dinner. I'm out here for dinner, and he's a little too big. I mean, in any other body of water, he's the perfect eating size. And in any other body of water, he's the perfect eating size. And what was I gonna say? And I would have kept him, but I literally just started fishing. If I don't catch another one, yeah, I'll be a little frustrated with myself. But first 5 minutes, caught him, and yeah, very pleased. He was 23.5 inches, so can't be upset with that. Gave me my bait back, almost perfect shape. So I'm just gonna go a little hot or a little lower in the nose. Yeah, that should work. All right, let's get back to dragging. First fish, 5 minutes. Very pleased with that, no complaints. Wow, that was a huge takedown. I was messing with my transducer during it. I don't know if I got my head camera on, but I don't want to risk losing this fish. That's 2 in less than 4 foot of water. He's hooked well. I'm not even gonna net him. He is not hooked well. I lied.
You tryna break my line? Is you out your mind? Cause that 30-pound test spray like having 4-wheel drive. I am back to back with the fish. I'm like Drake when it comes to hits. I'm the best ever and the king of the fish rap. I put the spin in spinner. I catch in spring, summer, fall, and winter. My fishing never ends. It gets better through the season. It's okay, I stop when I stop breathing. When fish break, yeah, I got the right bait. Cast past, then I drop it right in their face. I let them take line like I really don't care. Hook set, scorpion, get over here. Water come, but I keep the fish splashing. New rod with that medium heavy action. Truth is, hey, fishing is my passion.
This guy hit hard. Oh, I think this is a much bigger channel. Let's try not to get my other line wrapped up here. Oh, he's pulling drag, and I have this set relatively strong. He thumped this. I either have a very big channel or a muskie. I don't think it's muskie though, because if it was muskie, I think it would have did a couple jumps by now. All right, now I can fight him normal. We're past snagging my other line. This guy feels really good. He's staying down like a flathead. I think I finally have one of those Cohen monsters in 4 foot of water. Oh no, don't go that direction. You're gonna get my other pole all wrapped up in my face. Man. Oh, under the boat. Gotta keep him out of that transducer. Yeah, baby. I haven't even seen my weight yet, and he's literally right under the boat. There we go. It's just one of those big old Cohen Lake channel cats, baby. Get over here. Yeah, baby. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, man. This guy's head's like a flathead. This is great. Oh, boy. I'm sorry. People who love all the other catfish species, more power to you, but I just don't think there's anything like this. This guy's getting a picture regardless of length. He's a big boy.
When I catch my lure, make it wiggle. Fishing's on my mind, gotta wet my line, gotta yank something like aye. Catch them big girls like Lizzo. When I catch my lure, make it wiggle. Fishing's on my mind, gotta wet my line, gotta yank something like aye. When fish break, yeah, I got the right bait. Cast past, then I drop it right in their face. I let them take line like I really don't care. Hook set, scorpion, get over here. Water come, but I keep the fish splashing. New rod with that medium heavy action. Truth hey, fishing is my passion. Gotta yank, yank, yank some mud. Fishing is my passion.
Oh, this is different of a channel. He's not big, but he's causing me all sorts of issues. Come on, come to this side. So this is the thing that stinks about this heavy gear. I keep on trying to. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. This also could be the explanation of my last couple hits. Or what I thought was hits.
American by birth and Southern by the grace of God means that everything I do it right. New York and California, you can go and have your fun, but down
Yeah,
here I gotta live.
I was fighting a fish. Huh. It was just on the wrong pole. This, oh, okay, this explains everything. Oh, Jesus. This guy hit this pole, swam over, so I could have sworn I kept on getting hits on this pole. And then I got a thump on this pole. And then a couple seconds later, I would get a thump on this pole back, but nothing, it would never commit. So this one, I finally hit it. When I was reeling it in, I knew I felt something fighting back. And I'm not going crazy. I was feeling something fighting back. This guy just decided to go up and down between my lines and tangle everything up. That's so funny. All right, at least I know I'm not going crazy. Although the leader line is much longer than I would prefer, this is why you bring a backup pole. While I have this absolute mess to deal with and nightmare to deal with, I still have my max amount of baits out. God, this is frustrating. And GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Oh, that's too bright. This guy hit it really hard. So, I mean, maybe I'm just getting chest cam for this guy, which is unfortunate. No rhyme or reason why that happens either. Where's my other line? Okay. That's a bummer too, because I think this is going to be a big guy. So, oh no. Oh my God. You see all that purple? That's my other line. Oh man. Oh, this sucks. That's why he felt so big. I mean, I guess. Oh my God.
You can drink my liquor, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can smoke my blunt. It's good for these Jordans, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck. Don't touch my truck. Don't touch my V8 engine with the windows tinted. Boy, we came from the bottom, got it out the mud. Whole block jumping cause the subs stay hidden. If they roll up on me, no, I keep one touch. Tell them boys come get
Those dumb lure. Is there a fish on? I had a fish on this other line this whole time. And of course, wow. I don't know when he hit. Huh. How lucky am I that when this guy picked up this bait, he never pulled any line. So who knows how long this guy's been on this bait. Oh, wow. This is great. These are both either size too. You're gonna have a temporary buddy. Oh, how fun. Well, what I came out here to do is done. And who knows how long this guy's been on. Alright, I'm about 100 yards away from my dock. It just started lightly misting, I guess you could call it. It's not drizzling, but it's not snowing either, right? Misting, I guess you could call it. Caught about 10, I think, right around there. No complaints. One hog, and yeah, they're still biting. They're still chasing dragging bait. So I'm gonna drag these two all the way into this little cove. Once I get to the cove, I'm gonna pull out the kayak, maybe throw the cast in a couple more times, try and get lucky, and probably soak my baits right there in that little cove just for a little bit until I get all my stuff packed, and then be on my way. So, all right, extremely successful trip. Kayak Mike, second time out here on Collin Lake, kind of mastering this dragon thing, so it's a lot of fun. All right, I'll see you guys next time.
Don't touch my truck.